That's your stocking.
Wait, whoa, stop the clock. Take a picture of all three.
Emmy, you see your stuff? I think this is for you.
Gloves. I was wearing gloves. Gloves. What?
What?
I think this is.
What is that?
Headlight. There's a headlight. I don't know. Dominoes.
Can I help you?
Yes.
What is this? Well, what does that say? Read that.
Live headlight. Headlight. Headlight.
A headlight. A headlight? Like headlights on a car?
think so.
Huh?
Oh yeah, what is this for? My bike? Is it for my bike? Or me to wear? Oh no, not me to wear.
Look at her.
Better than I thought.
Turn her on.
Where's the light?
Shorten that. I have to turn the battery on.
Thank you, Daddy. Did you get this?
Santa gave
Oh,
all
yeah.
this stuff.
SpongeBob too. How about that?
Yep. Mama, look, yes.
Oh, that's awesome.
And we got this, some more.
Awesome.
Mommy, look at the glasses in the back. Look, the color. And look, they have like this silly thing.
I never saw that before.
Oh, dear. I have more glasses.
Those are so cool.
I have more.
Oh, I want these. I'm going to put these on my purse.
More.
Well, we should be set for dental floss, right? We're going to have the best, cleanest teeth.
I know what this is.
We're going to have the cleanest teeth ever. Those are awesome.
What flavor?
This is for you. I
Ooh.
accidentally put it in this room of the window. Okay. It's okay.
Those are so cool. I never saw these guys. I've seen other ones, but I never saw those before.
Oh, what is this? Oh, so it's
What flavor is that? Purple.
the
Oh, that's a good one, isn't it, Eddie?
berry.
You like that one?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna open babies.
Okay.
Yeah, got another electric one.
Ooh, SpongeBob.
Ooh. Ooh, that's a cool one.
I have a lot of those in my phone. This is babies.
I think you should start using this, Olivia.
Yeah. Oh, baby drew a picture. Do you want to read what it says? Sorry. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Sky. I don't know if it says. It's like sky.
Let's see. Show it to the camera. Oh, hold
We
on.
can figure it out.
Very cool, guys. That's very nice.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what do we got?
Now the next one. Oh.
Let's see.
Oh.
What's that?
Another toothbrush.
I do
Another
it with a toothbrush. I
toothbrush.
can tell by the shape.
That's a good one.
What is this? I'll open my next one. Look. What is this? Tape? Oh, I don't get it. What is this thing? I don't even have a clue. Whoa.
What is it?
Can I see it?
What is that?
Cool.
Pencil sharpener. Wait, can I see it?
We're just talking about pencil sharpeners too.
Well, awesome.
That's so cool.
I'm gonna open this one.
See, now you could put that in your backpack, and if one of your pencils gets low or something, you could sharpen it right then and there.
More?
Third pack of floss. Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh.
3?
I might need to borrow one.
Boy, Olivia, you sure did a lot of presents, huh? Boy, oh boy. Let's see. Saki! How did you know? My favorite is. Look, this one has a string coming off of it. See? Tray for the garbage. Look at this.
String.
Look how bright these new ones are compared to these old, musky, dirty.
Those have a lot of life left in those.
Well, they're starting to fade. Oh, see, look.
Got a hole coming through on that
It's like
one.
the common man. Thank you so much, because soon they will not carry them. Well, like my underwear. Can't get them anymore. I'm having a real problem with this. Well, I preferred the Costco brand, and
Like my underwear.
you can't get them anymore. Now they're so tight and binding.
My underwear kind of rare to get it now, too.
Yeah, I
Down
prefer them.
version.
Well, thank you.
Yeah? Is that for
Maybe
me,
if
too?
it's up, it'll go on.
What's up right now?
It's not on.
Ooh, you carefully unwrap that, Olivia. Emily.
Who's that from? Mommy. Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah, don't tie that one. I'll fix it.
Ooh.
What,
Uh-oh is right.
Oh!
Whoa, cool. Let's see. Cool.
Let's see if there's $1. Yay! $1.
You can never give a wallet or a purse without putting
$1.
Or a knife.
It's supposed to be.
Or a night.
Knife.
No.
No, what's...
No. If you.
It says Banana Republic.
Oops, sorry.
What in Pete's sakes is this? Oh, cool girl outfit outfit.
Let's see. Turn around. Show the camera.
Is this for justice or where?
Rock, roll. What does it say?
Rock and roll.
Rock.
Rock,
Here.
roll. Rock, roll.
It's a star, honey.
Oh yeah.
It's part of the T-shirt. See, it goes like this, like how Emily wears her scarves.
Wow.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
Rock and
Can you
roll.
focus?
No.
Sparkles with a scarf. And the scarf's attached so it doesn't come off.
Does your finger?
That.
Huh?
I like that. Can I see?
Hold on. And then when you put it on,